Personal blenders are great for making tasty and healthy drinks fast without having to clean up a larger machine. We've done the research while considering quality, features, and value when narrowing down the best choices possible. Here's our top 5 personal blenders available now. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 12412. The Hamilton Beach 12412 series blender is a great personal and travel blender for the budget-conscious consumer. We like that it comes with a quick-attach travel lid, so you can blend your drink and get out the door. The portable travel cup has measuring marks for accuracy. It's got a compact storage design, although not as much power as others on the list. The jar stores smartly upside down and the cord wraps around the base, a good personal blender overall. Number 4. TTLife Portable Glass Smoothie Blender. This blender adds a powerful rechargeable battery for ultra versatility. The battery provides plenty of power for consistent performance in everyday tasks. It's not as big as others on the list, but it's not small either. With one-touch operation, it's really easy to use. The 4 extra sharp stainless steel blades this machine has are made to handle a variety of blending needs. It's also dishwasher safe, made of food-grade glass, is BPA-free, FDA-approved, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. All in all, it's a great personal blender with a really handy rechargeable battery. Number 3. NutriBullet 1000 Watt Prime Edition. Even better than just a blender, the NutriBullet 1000 Watt Prime Edition is a complete mixing and blending system. Its versatility is backed up with performance too. The powerful and high-torque 1000 watt motor is up for almost any task. This exclusive kit is loaded with accessories as well. It includes a 28-ounce insulated stainless steel cup with vessel grip, 32-ounce colossal cup with handle, 32-ounce colossal cup with vessel grip, extractor blade, 2 comfortable lip rings, 2 flip-top lids, and a user guide with recipe book. It doesn't have the power of its bigger brother, but it's an absolutely excellent personal blender choice. Number 2. Nutri Ninja Blender with FreshVac technology. Taking things to another level, we have the Nutri Ninja Blender with FreshVac technology. This machine is packed with the latest juicing, blending, and extraction technology. It has FreshVac technology designed to extract and preserve nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables. It has oxygen-removing blending, which actually improves the texture, flavor, and color of your blended drinks. The FreshVac pump removes oxygen before blending as well, so you can enjoy drinks that stay fresh 8 hours after you make them. There's also technology that combines unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to get the results you expect from a quality machine. It doesn't have quite as much power as the number 1 blender, but with 1100 watts, it has plenty of muscle to go with its technology. All in all, it's a great option. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. NutriBullet RX171001 Blender. The NutriBullet RX171001 is incredibly impressive. For starters, it has a 1700 watt motor that's been combined with industry-leading technology and a sleek modern design. This blender really shines with its unparalleled versatility. The list of features and tech is too long to list here, but some of the highlights include hands-free technology with auto start and stop, heating functions for soups and sauces, patented nutrient extraction, and much more. We also noted that this product is manufactured in compliance with US and Canadian electrical standards, as not all blenders are. This is an excellent choice for a high-quality blender. Shopping for the right personal blender can be frustrating, which is why we are only interested in the best choices for your needs. Any one of these options would be excellent for anyone interested in the health and lifestyle benefits of blending and juicing. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these blenders, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion.